Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. Those of you who are new, I want to thank you for even coming across my channel, and those of you who started with me at the very beginning, thank you for coming back. This is a video I wanted to kind of talk to you guys. I'm not having no cleaning in this video. I just kind of wanted to have a little sit down chat with you guys. One thing I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about is I want to know from you guys what you want to see from my videos. Of course, it's a cleaning channel, so it will definitely include cleaning and all that. But I just kind of want to know like specifics from you. My channel is pretty new, so we have not done any like meal planning or anything like that. And it's just the three of us, so we don't really do like meal planning. I mean, I can if y'all would like it, but just to be honest with you, we pretty much eat the same thing every week or whatever, so it's not anything really that new per se and all that stuff. So anyway, but if there's anything that you would like to see from my channel and everything, I'll do everything I can to do it, of course within reason. The main thing I wanted to kind of, as you know, on my cleaning channel, I do plan, we do plan to do what's called DIYs, which is, do it yourself type of thing, makeovers, that kind of thing over the house. Because I have so much I want to do to my house. But unfortunately, finances kind of, you have to wait for the money. I mean, you have to wait until you have money for it. It's not something we can automatically do. We did just get through making over our game room area. We worked on the ceiling because ever since we moved in, we've never done the ceiling. We've done like little what you call projects. I mean, we redid our stairs, but as far as like big major projects, it's like the kitchen. I really want to update my kitchen so badly. We've been living in this house for has been 11, 12 years, something like that. My daughter was like, I think 2.5 when we moved in, and she's now 14, or she'll be 14 next month, actually. So, but we already know the kitchen, that takes a lot of money to do, but, and all that stuff. And I want to make sure that I kind of get my dream kitchen, if you know what I mean. But anyway, so back to what I was originally making this video on, is that I do plan on making a lot of like organization videos, because there's some areas I still need to organize, believe it or not. I know some of you probably look at my house and say, my gosh, your house looks so nice and clean and tidy. I stay with it every day. It's not something, I don't let anything go. Like literally, I do not let anything go. The only time I let the house maybe go is like if it's a holiday or something like that and I just want to take a day off and not really do anything. But other than that, my house stays pretty clean and tidy. But anyway, so kind of getting on the subject here. But one of the things, because see, I can't even talk. There are certain things I want to do in my room. Like I want to organize, like there's my bathroom underneath the cabinet, under the sink or whatever. I really need to organize it better because it's just totally disorganized right now, believe it or not. And you will see, because I'll do a video on that. I'm hoping maybe to do a video on it. I don't know if it'll be next month or not, so we'll just have to wait. You'll have to wait and see on that. But it is coming. I just don't know when I'm going to exactly, do it or whatnot. Anyway, so I just want to make some changes in my, as far as organization, do some changes in my bathroom, my bedroom itself. There's just so much I want to do. And, some of it I can do without having a big budget, money budget to do it with and everything like that. It's like, when it cools off, because right now it's summertime, live in Texas, it's hot. The last thing, the other day, I actually got out there and mowed and all that. It was like around 6 o'clock in the evening. My husband did the backyard and I did the front yard. But anyway, there's some things I want to do outside too, but it's just way too hot to even try to mess with it right now. So we're going to wait till fall when it gets cooler outside. It's not so hot outside, at least in the 80s, because, when it's 100 degrees, it's way too hot to be working outside right now. Anyway, there's just so many things I would like to do to my house or even outside of my house, like just clean up. Not really, do a whole lot of stuff that you have to have money wise, but, just clean up the yard and all that stuff. But anyway, I mainly just wanted to kind of have a sit down chat with you guys and just find out from you guys what you are looking for in the channel. If you're looking for motivation, great. I'm all for it. And all that stuff. But if you're looking for a topic, like say you want to tour what my kitchen looks like, basically like, the organization, like what I've done so far. I mean, I still have some things I want to kind of do, but anyway, like I said before, I wanted to know from you guys, and I know I'm kind of repeating myself, and I don't mean to, and all that stuff. But this is kind of new to me, this whole sit down, chat with me type of thing is kind of new to me. And plus, y'all can't like talk back to me right now because, of course, you're going to have to leave your comments. But anyway, so yeah, just basically kind of just let me know in comments what you would like to see. And I'll do everything I can to make that happen and all that. And, I will reply back to you saying, okay, I could do that. Or, well, it might take a little time to do that because of finances or whatnot. So anyway, I just, wanted to have a little sit down with you guys and also let you know, like I said, we are like a three member family. My husband, myself, and my daughter. My daughter, she is homeschooled, and she used to go to public school, but now she's homeschooled, and there's a reason for that. I won't get into that. It's a personal thing and all that. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to kind of get to know me a little bit better. This YouTube thing is pretty much a hobby of mine right now. Of course, I would like to make a little bit of money from it when I can, everything like that. But right now, I'm just having fun with it, you guys. I really am. As far as the making videos part, I love making videos, but the whole editing part, that's quite the different story. But I'm learning and all that. So, and I'm starting out on my phone. Actually, it's just an extra phone that was kind of lying around the house. Actually, a friend of ours gave it to me and all that stuff because I wanted to keep my like personal stuff separate from, this part of it and all that stuff. So, and so far it's working good. I've had a little bit of issues with like the editing app software that I've been using on my phone. But I think I finally found one that I can work with, hopefully. So I tried to pay for a subscription on Google Play Store, but it's like not working. It's not letting me. I don't know what the deal is and all that. And I tried contacting Google, and they say there is no phone number for Google Play Store itself. So I'm just using whatever I can, and all that. And I schedule my videos. I do. I upload them and everything like that. So I make sure there'll be content. That way you'll be able to see what I have and all that. So anyway, this is just a little chat with me type of thing and all that stuff. I really don't have anything else to really share or say at this point right now. But anyway, so like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please share it, because I love the support that I'm getting, even from some of the ladies that I do cleaning, that I'll watch their cleaning channels and all that and everything. I'm getting amazing support and all that. So I do thank them for that. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are, what you want to see. Anyway, I guess I'll let you guys go and everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and everything. And I will see you next time on Karen to Clean. Bye, guys.